Hi, others. I don't know about you, but I tend to overwork my daily art practice as I think it should be more than it is. Now, what do I mean by this? My dad was a beloved artist. He made beautiful paintings and drawings, but it took him all day, and I mean by that really all day. He would install himself at our dinner table in the morning, put on his favorite classical music, and started a painting. My mom, as a good wife in those days, we are talking about the late 70s, would supply him with food, coffee, and tea. And at the end of the day, as the light wouldn't be suitable anymore for him to paint, he would have a beautiful work of art. So to me, making art was always connected to an intense amount of time. But now, with me discovering this daily mindful art practice, I found myself squeezing in only short amounts of time. And I really love that. When I was talking about that with my mom, she told me she's doing the same. She loves to create with clay or make stone objects, and she does that in small amounts of time every day too. I'm also a little impatient too, so these small amounts of time need to have an outcome. Although I have no idea how it is like to put a work out there and just paint on that a little bit every day. Maybe I should try it. But anyway, today's art journal is all about me feeling grateful for this daily art practice and enjoying it very much. That's why I chose these words too. I haven't often an idea of what I want to paint before I start. Today I knew it would be something colorful with a circle, and it just growed like this under my hands. Putting down those marks was very relaxing, and I always enjoyed that stage very much. I didn't use much supplies either, just some acrylic paint and a steadler marker, and a little piece of pre-printed paper. I hope by seeing what I create today, you realize that this channel isn't so much about what I create, but it's more about the fact how creating art is a way to process our feelings and emotions. Today I am feeling relaxed and excited as I'm creating new things. I love to crochet, so I'm about to launch my crochet channel as well. I have always been a stay-at-home mom and created so much for my kids in these past years, and I would love to pass on my knowledge to others. It's all in the beginning phase, so I will tell you when it's all set and ready. That makes me always happy to start something new. I hope you'll be creating something today too, and that you will be able to allow yourself to learn, to fail, and to make mud, just for the sake of creating. And you know what? You can always throw it away if you want, or put a fresh layer of gesso on it. That's why I like these art/junk journals so much, because they allow you to make a mess. It was already junk, so why bother if it didn't turn out to be a Monet? Well, I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope you will enjoy the little things in life. Today I enjoyed to watch a wonderful YouTube by a very gifted restaurator of ancient art. I just watched that and it was really nice. I love to be amazed by the little things in life. I hope you will create something too, and please don't forget to be very sweet to yourself. Well, that's all. A very big hug from me, and bye-bye for now.